The question is find any given that logu p power 8 plus logu p power n is equal to 0. We all know that when there's addition here, we are going to revisit into multiplication, because in that form it was a power 2 multiplied by a power 3. Then it was like a power 2 plus 3. So we are going to use the same way. So it will be logu p power 8, because the bases are same, p and p. So it will be logu p power 8 times n equals to 0. Then logu p power 8 n equals to 0. Then let's interchange the powers. Then it will be, this one will go here and this 0 come here. Then it will be p power 0 equals to 8 n. Any number to the power 0, it's 1. So 1 equals 8 n. Then let's divide both sides by 8. Then it will be n equals 1 over 8. They are saying, given that logu 5 to the power 2 is equal to 0.431, then find the value of logu 5 to the power 20 without using a calculator. Then let's start. For solution, it will be solution logu 5 power 20. So let's split this 20. So when you split 20 to be logu 5 power 4 multiplied by 5, because when you multiply 4 times 5 it will be 20. So this way it will be, when we are multiplying, then we are going to add the log. Then it will be log 5 power 4 plus log 5 power 5. Then let's reduce this 4. It will be log 5 power 2 power 2 plus log 5 power 5, which is equal to, then we are going to drop this power. It will be 2 log 5 power 2 plus log 5 power 5, it will be 1. Then here we are going to substitute where there is the log 5 power 2. Here in the equation they are saying log 5 power 2, it is 0.431. So let's substitute to be 2 open bracket 0.431 close plus 1. Then let's multiply. 2 times 0, it is 0. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 1, it's 2 plus 1. So 0.8621 plus 1, it is 1.862. That's the final answer. Yes, given that k equals log 16 power x, find in terms of k log, find in terms of k, whereby a it is log 4 power x and b it is log 16 power 64x. And solution, so let's take this equation here. It will be k equals log 16 power x. Then let's start with log. It will be log 16 power x equals k. Then let's interchange the powers. Then this one will go here. Then x will go in that side. Then it will be x equals 16 power k. So in the equation where there is x, we are going to substitute this value because they are saying x equals 16 power k. Then it will be for a log 4 power x, then log 4 power x. Where there is x, we are going to substitute with it 16 power k. Then let's drop the power. It will be k log 4 power 16. Also let's reduce the 16 and maintain it. It will be, let's make it into base 4. Then it will be k log 4 power 2, because when we multiply 4 times 4 it will be 16. So also let's drop this power. It will be 2k log 4 power 4, log 4 power 4. Then this one, it is 1. Log 4 power 4, it is 1. So 1 times 2k, it is 2k. 1 times the 2k, it is 2k. Then let's find the b, they are saying. So let's take it into simpler form. Then it will be, let's use that formula which will be given like log a power m, which is equals to log a power m over log b power a. Let's use this formula. So now let's start to be log 16 power 64x to be equals to log 4 power 64x over log 4 power 16. Then which is equals to, also when here there is the multiplication, we all know that we are going to add. Then here on top it will be log 4 power 64 plus log 4 power x over here we are going to, it will be log 4 power, this 16 to be reduced to be same base with this one, it will be 4 power 2, which is equals to, so here let's reduce this one also, it will be log 4 power 4 power 3, because when cube root of 4 it is 64, plus log 4 power x over, then we are going to drop this power, then it will be 2 log 4 power 4, which is equal to, then here also on top we are going to drop this power, then it will be 3 log 4 power 4 plus log 4 power x over, because we all know that this one log 4 power 4 it is 1, so 1 times 2 it is 2, which is equals to, then here also log 4 power 4 it is 1, so 1 times 3 it is 3, plus from the previous equation which was being given, we all know that log 4 power x it is equal to 2k, so here it will be 2k over 2. That's the final answer.